Okay, this lesson is a review of prepositions of time that we've already covered: in, at, and on. We've talked a little bit about simple present in the class, so before I actually start videotaping, we're going to be doing a quick review of simple present to add in to talking about prepositions of time: in, at, and on. So this lesson is focused on using those prepositions to talk about a schedule, to talk about your activities. So first we're going to be looking at, we're going to use a work page, and the work page has the grammar focus on it for in, at, and on, and it has some examples for when to use those. We've already talked about this, so this is a review for the students. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to do some exercises where we practice adding in, at, or on into a sentence that's talking about a schedule, that's talking about some activities that a family does. After that, we will do a competition with two teams, and they will write as fast as they can phrases that use those prepositions of time, and then we'll put them on the board and we'll go over them all together. After that, we will practice filling in for a question, filling in the blank for a question to ask about a schedule. When do you go to work? When do you catch the bus? So this is kind of working on the question side of using those prepositions. This we haven't done very much yet, so that might be a little tricky. After that, we're going to use the PowerPoint to look at a person's schedule and practice talking about their schedule for the weekend. Students will talk with a partner for a little while, and then we'll move on and look at the weekday schedule. Then students are going to make their own weekday schedule that's modeled after the one that will be shown in the PowerPoint. All of the students are teachers except for one, and they all teach one grade in the morning and one grade in the afternoon. So I've asked them to include the grade they teach in the morning, the grade they teach in the afternoon, and when they teach English and math, just because those are two easy subjects to talk about. We haven't really covered school subjects much, so I don't want to get too involved with that. The person who's not a teacher, I have some special things that he's going to be doing that I will write about in my reflection and in my lesson plan a little bit more. So they will make their own schedules, then they will practice with a partner talking about those schedules, and to finish the class for the evaluation, either my husband or I will be interviewing each student about their schedule, asking 4 questions about what they do each week. They need to use the prepositions of time in, at, and on to answer those questions. While they are not interviewing, students will be taking a quiz where they fill in the blank with the missing preposition. They look for the preposition and its phrase in the morning on Sunday, and where they have to sort the words by which preposition it goes to. And after that, we will be doing a quick review, and I'll give the homework. The homework is the Web 2.0, since I wasn't able to do it in the lesson because I don't have internet access in the classroom. It'll be included as homework, and I have some web pages to show them for that. So that's my lesson. We'll see how it goes.